Wow, Eddie. Good job.
Eddie. Eddie. Go like this. Eddie. Eddie. Sounds like you tooted.
Henry.
Eddie, go like this.
Mom, where did Eddie crash?
Eddie didn't crash. Henry did.
Where did Eddie crash?
Down at the end of the road by the minivan. He's okay.
But where is the minivan?
Down there. Down at that end.
Field?
Yeah.
It already turned
That's
into
the
a
minivan?
scab. Look at
It did? Where you crashed? Oh my.
there.
Yep.
Just turned into a scab.
Don't crash anymore.
I know.
Hey, I saw
There goes Eddie. Just riding a two-wheeler.